गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम टू एक्सेलेंसी आईएएस। एक्सेलेंसी आईएएस आप सभी के लिए जीपीएससी प्रीलिम्स की महासंग्राम सीरीज लेकर आया है। इन दिस सीरीज वी विल कवर 8000 प्लस पावरफुल एमसीक्यूज। टुडे इज द डे 3 ऑफ पेपर 1। So now I am showing you the questions of today's class. So here you can see today's questions. These are the questions. We will cover today 20 questions in this session. So let's start our session with our question number 1. So our question number 1 is, so this is our question number 1. Our question number 1 is, who among the following were Gandhian? Number A, Matangini Hazra. Number B, Sarojini Naidu. Number C, Abbas Tayyabji. And number D, Muzaffar Ahmad. Choose the correct statements. Options are, option 1 is BCA, option 2 is BCD, option C is ACD, and option 4 is A and B. You can solve this question and write the answer in the comment section. So, the correct answer of this question is option 1, BCA. Now, coming to our next question, question number 2. So, this is our question number 2. You can read the question. Question is, Kayastha Samachar was published by. Option A is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option B is Jyotiba Phule. Option C is Lala Rajpat Rai. And option D is Badruddin Tayyabji. The correct answer of this question is option C, Lala Rajpat Rai. Now coming to our third question. So our third question is, recently Cryo for Good was in news. Option A, to promote gender equality among boys and girls. Option B, to promote women empowerment. Option C, to promote afforestation to increase forest cover. And option D, a toolkit to protect defense system against cyber attack. This is very easy question. So the correct answer of this question is option A, to promote gender equality among boys and girls. Now moving ahead with our next question, question number 4. So this is our question number 4. Our question number 4 is about Seva Samiti. So, Seva Samiti was socio-religious reform movement. Which of the following are associated with? Option A, Narayan Malhar Joshi. Option B, Hridyanath Kunjru. Option C, Mother Teresa. And option D, B.M. Malabari. Choose the correct code. Number 1, B only. Number 2, B and C only. Number 3, A, B, C, D. And number D, D only. So, the correct answer of this question is number 1, B only. Now coming to question number 5. So, question number 5. Question number 5 is, Seva Sadan was associated with. Options are, option A is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option B is Keshav Chandra Sen. Option C is B.M. Malabari. And option D is Atmaram Pandurang. So, the answer of this question is option C, B.M. Malabari. Now, moving ahead with our next question, question number 6. So, question number 6 is, with respect to Karachi session in INC, consider the following statements. Option A, endorsement of Gandhi-Irwin Pact. B, resolution of National Economic Program. C, Motilal Nehru was the president. And D, call of Purna Swaraj was given. So choose the correct code. Number 1, only 1 point is correct. Number 2, only 2 options are correct. Number 3, only 3 options are correct. And number 4, only 4 options are correct. So the correct answer of this question is number 2, only 2 options are correct. Now this is our question number 7. So question number 7 is, with respect to WTO, World Trade Organization, consider the following statements. Number A, found on January 1, 1995. Number B, under Marrakesh Agreement. Number C, consensus-based intergovernmental organization. And number D, recently IFA, Agreement on Investment Facilitation for Development. So choose the correct code. So option A is only 1 option is correct. Option B is only 2 option is correct. Option C is only 3 option is correct. And option D is only 4 option is correct. So the correct answer of this question is option D, only 4 option is correct. So our question number 8 is, with respect to the Indigo Revolt in Bengal 1859 to 1860, consider the following statements. A, against European indigo planters. B, led by Digambar and Vishnu Biswas. C, fought at Bihar. And D, Indigo Commission was set up at 1860. Choose the correct option. Number 1, A only. Number 2, A, B, C only. Number 3, B, C, D only. And number 4, none of the above. So the correct answer of this question is option 4, none of the above. Now moving ahead with our next question, question number 9. So this is our question number 9. So question number 9 is about Som Prakash. So Som Prakash was published by, option A is Devendranath Tagore, option B is Shishir Kumar Ghosh, option C is Dwarkanath Vidyabhushan, and option D is Taraknath Manna. So the correct answer of this question is Dwarkanath Vidyabhushan, option C. Now coming to our next question, question number 10. So our question number 10 is, original name of second Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Option A, Lal Bahadur Srivastava. Option B, Lal Bahadur Mishra. Option C, Lal Bahadur. And option D, Lal Bahadur Singh. So it is very easy question, I think. So the correct answer of this question is option A, Lal Bahadur Srivastava. Now moving ahead with our next question, question number 11. So question 1 is about Global Innovation Index. You can read the question. So question 11 is, consider the following statements regarding Global Innovation Index. Number A, published by WTO. Number B, published by WIPO. Number C, published by Oxfam. And number D, published by World Bank. So the correct answer of this question is option B, published by WIPO. So this is our next question, question 12. Okay. So question 12 is, which of the following species are mammals? Number A, dugong. Number B, pangolin. Number C, cow. And number D, Homo sapiens. The options are number 1, A only. Number 2, B only. Number 3, C only. And number D, all the above. So, the correct answer of this question is number 4, all the above, as all these animals are mammals. If you have any doubts and if you have any doubts related to any questions, you may ask your doubt in comment section. We will surely reply you. Now coming to our next question, question number 13. So our question number 13 is, which of the following is the Buddhist heritage sites? Number A, Ajanta. Number B, Ellora. Number C, Bojankonda. And number D, Thotlakonda. Number E, Appaikonda. And number F, Bavikonda. So choose the correct options. Option A is A, B, C, D, E, F. Option B is A, B, C, D. And option 3 is A, B, C, D, E. And option 4 is E, F, G. So, the correct answer of this question is option 1, A, B, C, D, E, F. So, question number 14 is about Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. Okay. So, objective of Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. Option A is pension scheme for senior citizens aged 60 years and above. Option B, enhance the quality life for senior citizens aged 60 years and above. Option C, providing healthcare facilities to pregnant and lactating mothers. And option D, none of the above. So, the correct answer of this question is option A, pension scheme for senior citizens aged 60 years and above. Now, this is our next question. Question number 15. So, question number 15 is, where is the headquarter of UNFPA? Option A is Switzerland, option B is Geneva, option C is New York, and option D is Gurugram. So, the correct answer of this question is option C, New York. So, this is our question number 16. So, question number 16 is, which of the following act introduced provincial autonomy in the provinces? Number 1, Indian Council Act 1909. Number 2, Independence Act 1947. Number 3, Government of India Act 1919. And number 4, Government of India Act 1935. So, the correct answer of this question is Government of India Act 1935. Moving ahead with our next question. Question number 17. So, this is our question number 17. So, question number 17 is rule of law. A.V. Dicey means number A, constitutional supremacy. Number B, supremacy of individual rights. Number B, supremacy of individual rights. Number C, absence of arbitrariness. And number D, due process of law. Choose the correct code. Number 1, A, C only. Number B, B and D only. Number 3, A and B only. And number 4, none of the above. So, the correct answer of this question is number 4, none of the above. So the next question is question number 18. So this is our question number 18. So question number 18 is, which of the following is an erosional landform? Option A is batholith, option B is laccolith, option C is Iskars, and option D is Ariti. So the correct answer of this question is option D, Ariti. Now coming to our next question, question number 19. So this is question number 19. Question number 19 is, consider the following statements. Number A, monsoon means seasonal reversal of winds. Monsoon is a local wind. Number C, monsoon is positively influenced by Indian Ocean dipole. And option D, October heat is a signal of retreating monsoon. The options are number 1, A, B, C only. Number 2, B, C, D only. Number 3, A only. And number 4, A, B, C, D. So, the correct answer of this question is number 4, A, B, C, D only. Now, coming to our last question, question number 20. So, this is our question number 20. Question number 20 is about RBI, Reserve Bank of India. RBI was constituted under, option A is RBI Act 1934, option B is RBI Act 1935, option C is Government of India Act 1935, and option D is Banking Regulation Act 1949. So, the answer of this question is option A, RBI Act 1934. So this is all about today's session. These are the questions which we have solved today. This is all about today's question. Thanks for watching.